Namaskar everybody. Today we will solve from Ncert chapter number 4 exercise 4.4 question number 2. We have already solved the question number 1 in the previous class. Okay. So basically the problem was on the topic of mensuration. Now, question number 2, there have so many problems from this portion. I will solve 2 or 3 problems. Okay. Question number 2. A. What is the question? The teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained by a student in her class in twice the lowest mark plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So this is a what problem? At first you have to construct an equation, because this chapter is simple equation, in linear equation, one variable. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class twice, that means 2 times, twice, marks twice the lowest marks plus 7. Now what is the lowest mark? You do not know. So at first find out, let the lowest mark is x. Let the lowest marks equal to x. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? I have supposed that the lowest marks is x. So according to question, what is the highest score? Is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So twice of the lowest marks means the lowest marks is x. So twice of lowest marks, that means 2 into x. Plus 7, there is given plus 7, that the highest score is 87, that is equal to the 87. So according to question, 2x plus 7 equal to 87. Read this portion very carefully. In her class is twice the lowest, lowest is x. Okay, so twice of lowest, that means 2x, is marks plus 7, then the greatest score. Now find the value of x. 2x by transposing method, 87 minus 7, or 8 or 2x equal to 80, or x equal to 80 by 2, that means 40. What is the lowest score? 40. This relation, if you happen to construct, then automatically you can find the value of the particular unit. And to construct an equation is very difficult. If you do not construct the equation, read the main line 2 times, 3 times, then automatically come out what will be the equation. The second line is very important. Twice the lowest marks plus 7. So twice of the lowest marks, that means 2x plus 7 is equal to the highest marks. So the lowest marks is 40. Now how will you understand that you calculated the value 40, that is correct or incorrect. Put the value of x, 2 into x, 2 into 40, that means 80 plus 7 to the right hand side equals to the right hand side. What is the main objectives of an equation? To the left hand side of the terms of the left hand side and to the right hand side of the equal sign. Okay, the both sides must be equal. So in the equal sign, either side of the equal sign, when you put the value of x, then automatically you will get the value of right. Okay, so this is called an equation. Next, question number B. Question number B. In an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, but one is unequal. Suppose ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. What is said? The base angles are equal. The base angles means this angle and this angle. That means angle ABC and angle ACB both are base angles. So base angles are equal. Okay? The vertex angle is 40 degree. This is vertex angle 40 degree. What are the basis angles of the triangle? What are the basis angles? Suppose x degree, basis angles. Okay? So now write, let the basis angles are x degree and x degree. Both are equal. And what is the property? Angle sum property of triangle. The sum of three angles is always equal to the 180 degree. So according to question, according to the property, you can say according to the property, because in the question they have not mentioned that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, but you have learned that the angle sum property of any kind of triangle, that may be acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle and isosceles triangle. Though their angles are given, one angles are given, both angles are let as let. So the basis angles are x degree and x degree. Now according to the question, the sum of three angles, that means angle A, angle B, angle C. According to the question, x plus 40. Okay, that means degree. You may not write now, but in the end of the answer, you will mention that degree. 180. Now find the value of x. 2x plus 40 equal to 180. Transpose 40 to the right hand side, so 180 minus 40. 2x equal to 140 or x equal to 140 divided by 2. Now here mention degree. That means 70 degree. 70 degree. So what will be the measures of the x? 70 degree. It is also 70 degree. Now, is it fulfill the criteria of the angle sum property of a triangle? At 40 plus 70, 110, 110 plus 70, that means 180. So the angles of bases are 70 degree and 70 degree. Okay. Go to the next question, question number C. Question number C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. how many runs did each of one score? Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So you have to, at first, you have to let the runs of Rahul, because there are the relation. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So the score of Rahul is X. And together their runs fell 2 shots of a double century. That means let the score of Rahul equal to X. So what will be the equation according to question? According to question, what will be the together their runs fell 2 shots of double century. So Sachin scored twice of Rahul scored. So Sachin scored, what will be the value? Have you done or not done? Not done. Sachin scored twice as many as Rahul. So Sachin scored, Rahul scored X. So Sachin scored 2X. And together their runs fell 2 short of a double century. They are both run. Rahul scored X, Sachin 2X. So X plus 2X equal to two short of a double century. 2 short of a double century. 2 short. 2 short. Smaller than double century. In the beginning time, I have again and again said, at first read the word problem very carefully, automatically the equation will come out. Okay, so Rahul scores X, Sachin scores 2X. That is equals, what is the double century? 200. 2 short. So this is the equation. I am reading again. Sachin scored twice as runs as Rahul. Let the score of Rahul X. Next, Sachin scored 8. Together they are twice. Sachin scored twice as many as Rahul. So Rahul X, Sachin 2X. So together, that means both Rahul and Sachin score, their runs fell. Their runs fell 2 shots of double century. That means both of them fell 2 shots of double century. 200 minus 2. Okay, now find the value of X. 3X equal to 198 or X equal to 198 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 66. 66. So Rahul score 66. Sachin scored twice. 66 into 2. 132. 132. Now add. Rahul score and Sachin score. 132 plus 66. 198. 198. Now 2 short of double century. 2 short of double century. Rahul 66 runs. Then Sachin scored 132. So total 198. So 198 means 2 short of double century. Understand? So this kind of problem you will solve from this chapter to the next classes. Okay.